Hello, Franklin Park families. We're going to make some origami. We're going to make a dog, cat, and a fox. You will need 3 sheets of paper. Hi, Franklin Park families. My name is Mrs. Knehr, and I'm here to teach you some origami. First, you need to have square paper, such as this, just like origami paper. And you can make your own if you do not have origami paper. I'm going to show you how to do that first. So you take your regular piece of paper and you're going to fold it to make a triangle. Just like that. Okay. You want to make sure the fold is really good. You can see that I need to adjust mine, which is fine. Do the same until you get a nice angle. And you're going to cut off this extra piece right here. You can use any color. Copy paper is usually the best. Construction paper might be a little bit harder, but it is doable. And here you go. Here's my square piece of paper, and it's ready for me to start my origami. What you notice about the origami piece of paper is that all the sides are equal sides. It's a perfect square. The extra piece here, which I cut off, you can encourage your child to make a cute little bookmark. They can write their name on it. They can draw designs. So now that you're ready and you have your origami paper all cut out, okay, I'm going to show you 3 animals that you can make. Very simple. We're going to make a dog, a cat, and a fox. Let's get started. So the first one we're going to do is make the doggy. So you're going to take your piece of origami paper, and I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to fold it into a triangle, like this. Make sure your crease is nice and straight, and if you have to adjust it, that's fine. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is find the center, and you're going to fold down the paper, and these will be the ears. And then you come over here, and you want to look at it and make it about the same distance, almost in the middle, and not all the way in the middle. And you can always unfold and you can refold again, it's fine. Okay, I'm going to do a little less here. Okay, now we have 2 ears. And now we're going to take this end right here. I'm going to fold that up. This is where the nose is going to go. And the eyes are going to go here. I'm going to take a marker. I'm going to use my Sharpie marker. What I like to do is I'm going to make a circle here. Make a circle here. And this one I made a little bigger, so I'm going to do a little circle inside. And I'm going to put a little circle in there. And then I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger because I made them a little uneven. And then I have my 2 circles, and I'm going to fill this in to make the eyes. You can just draw regular eyes. You don't have to do these type of eyes. You do what you want, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, now I'm going to make a little nose here. And I'm just going to make a line across here. And then I'm going to outline the triangle. And I'm going to make the doggy mouth like this. And I'm going to grab another marker. I'm going to take red, or you can take brown, whatever color you like to make. I'm going to color this in, make a little red nose to make probably a pink nose. You can do whatever you want. And there, you have your doggy. We're going to make is a cat. Okay, follow along. Here's my piece of origami paper. I'm going to turn it the other way, and I'm going to fold it in half, just like we did for the doggy. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my center point right here, and I'm going to bend this down like that. And I'm going to do the same on this side. And here you see that both sides, oops, I'm going to move that over, look exactly the same, just about, and you can adjust. Take your time. If you need to pause and do this step, feel free to pause it till you get the right angle that you want. Actually, I'm going to fold mine out a little bit more, but it's still, you can see the fold meets in the center. Okay, there we go. I think I have it just right. It's a little different when it's upside down for me. And I'm going to take this and fold it up like this to make a flat edge. And right now I see that I definitely want to change the angle on this one. And you can adjust yours as well. And there, see? I have this. It looks like this right now. And now I'm going to turn it over. Okay. And now we are going to draw the face. I'm going to take my marker again. Sorry about that. And I'm going to draw two eyes. I'm going to put my nose right about here. It's a little crooked. I'm going to draw my cat mouth. And I'm going to put some whiskers. And I'm going to draw a circle here, a circle here. And I'm going to fill in my eyes. And there's my cat. Okay friends, we're going to do our final animal, which is a fox. I was able to find more orange origami paper. And you start off just like you did for the cat and the dog. And you're going to fold your paper and make a triangle. This one's a little harder, not much harder, a little harder. Okay, so you have your triangle. You're going to take the bottom of your triangle and you're going to bend it up to meet the flat side. Here you go. You're going to have your triangle here folded up. Now, we have to make the ears. So the best way to do that is you put your finger at the top here because that's where you want the fold to start to happen. But you don't need it to fold along this line exactly. You actually want to bring your finger out a little bit. And this is tricky. It's taken me a couple tries to get this right. So you can always stop the video and work on this angle and then come back when you have the angle right. But as you see, I didn't put it right up against this fold here. Alright, and then you're going to do the same on this side. And I'm going to make sure it starts to come along, and I'm going to put my finger here, and I'm going to fold it down. Doing a nice little point, and I'm going to play around with it again because I just want to make sure that point is still there for the fox's nose because they have a long snout. And here, this is the back of the fox. And when I flip it over, he has a little bit of a long head. That's okay. If you don't like how it looks, you can re-angle the ears. I'm going to make it a little bit pointier. It looks good. Looks like a fox, right? I'm going to take my marker again. And foxes have little round noses at the end. So I'm going to make a little round nose. Okay. And then they have little squinty eyes. I actually see lots of foxes in my neighborhood, especially when I'm walking the dogs at night. They're not really scary. I wouldn't go up to one and just turn it sideways, just so I can draw the eye. I don't want to make them too uneven. And it likes to watch me as I walk my dogs. They come to my backyard. And there's my fox. I hope you enjoyed origami. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. I know there's a way to make the bodies for the animals. Here's my cat. Here's the fox I just made. Now I have two of everything. Here's a puppy dog. Here's another puppy dog. And here's the other cat that I made. I hope you enjoyed origami. You deserve it. Great job working hard in school. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching Origami with Mrs. Knehr. Have a wonderful day.